Hello, and welcome to the first video in the library portion of your freshman first year experience course. So, you've been assigned a research project. Where do you start? Let's say you have been given the task to write a research paper in your history class, and your history professor has left the topic up for you to decide. You may feel overwhelmed by this, and there's good reason to be. There are thousands of topics and time periods in history that you could write about. So how do you pick something and narrow it down to form a manageable research question? Through UTK Library's website, you have access to tools that will help you do this. The resource I am going to show you in this video is Gale's Topic Finder tool, located in most of the Gale databases. So from the library's homepage at lib.utk.edu, click on Articles and Databases under the Find Materials section. Type Gale into the search box and click Search. So you'll see a list of all the Gale databases provided to you through UTK. PowerSearch is a good general multidiscipline database to begin searching in. We'll look at the Topic Finder here. It can be found under the Search Tools. Click on it and you'll be taken here. So pause for a moment and think about a time period or an event in history that interests you. So let's say you've thought about it and you decide that you want to write something from the Protestant Reformation. So type this into the search box here and press Enter. So, what this tool does is it gives you a visual of which words and subjects are found most often in the text of your search results, as it says here. And you can see that Martin Luther is a big subject surrounding the Protestant Reformation. So you can click on him and you can see more ideas and keywords surrounding Martin Luther. Or you can click Reset and click on another topic, such as Lutheranism. And you look at these and you think, oh, his theses, that's interesting. So this tool is helpful because it helps you connect ideas, helps give you new keywords to search for, and even some articles here to the right to do some initial research with. And so looking at all these ideas, you might decide that you want to write your research paper on Martin Luther's 95 Theses and the role that he played in the Protestant Reformation. So from that, you have a research question now. What role did Martin Luther and his 95 Theses have in the Protestant Reformation? And this research question will be what guides you in the next step of your research project.